There we go. This is the beginning of the party. Woohoo! Deuces!
I thought your friend was going to be here at 6.
She's gonna be late. She just called me and I'm gonna meet her at Walmart when she calls me. Yummy! The fingers that I wasted, or that I spent all my time on last night. Yummy. Finger cookies! Get it? Finger cookies? Yeah. These are lovely Blythe's creations.
You want to put a hand in here?
Yeah. Brownies and cake. And more fingers that I made. Yay, and I rhymed. Oh, it's going to be a wonderful night. Our lovely decorations. And our gypsy. I won't leave you on here very long. If you don't want to be... Oh, yeah. Ah! My heels are sinking in the sand. This is our lovely graveyard, yeah, same thing. Imagine that. I'm running backwards through our crypt. Show, whatever. My ride? Yes, sir.
You look pretty.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
You get teeth in your mouth. See a vampire mobster?
I'm a vamp mobster.
I didn't say I gone.
Y'all are so not having any kind of fun with your Halloween, everything, nowhere.
Yeah, ain't nothing like me, bro. Ain't nothing like that.
Alright, guys.
Is it hard to walk in the hills?
Nope, I've actually got the hang of them.
Okay.
See? And that's all for the moment. Deuces.